Hi, this is Legacy Handyman. Today we're going to remove and replace the drain stopper that is stuck, broke off and doesn't want to come out. We are changing the bathtub drain stopper, and normally you would use this tool to insert it here, insert the screwdriver or any kind of rod in here and unscrew it. And sometimes this is all rotten out, and in this case, if this ring is still attached, you use this tool to try to unscrew it. If this doesn't work, you've got another tool that expands while you're turning. The way it works, press your finger here and it'll expand and grab the internal part of it. The last resort would be cutting it out. And you do 3 cuts like this, and then try to collapse it inside. Top part already cut, the bottom part still holding, so we'll cut a little more. Alright, so this part is out. We're gonna replace this rubber gasket here. The new drain stopper comes with it. We don't need this adapter because this is the metal piece goes right there. We're gonna remove this stopper part. We need this rubber gasket to replace existing one. Usually they dry rot and they're not flexible anymore. We're gonna use the tool, and another thing we need, put some plumber's putty around here, kind of roll it, put it around here. The excess will push out, you'll see in a minute. And now we're going to thread it back in. Okay, now we're going to remove all this excess plumber's putty. Now we're ready to screw this piece in. That's how you change the drain stopper that is broken. Only thing left to do, this package came with the new cover for this, so it'll be same finish and color, and I'll show you how to replace it. And remove these two screws. Comes with the little plate, and we're going to use the same screws, same bolts, should I say. Put it back in there. Kind of nice. Put the screws back in. By the way, all the tools and materials used in this video you can purchase on the link below. And center it. Doesn't have to be too tight, but tight enough so it doesn't move. We're going to use this new plate with the bolt provided and put it in here. Alright, this is done.